How to rebuild emotional intimacy with your ex. Rebuilding emotional intimacy with your ex requires time, effort, and a willingness to heal from past wounds. Whether you're seeking closure or a renewed relationship, the path forward involves careful steps to restore trust and connection. Did you know you can use simple reverse psychology techniques to make your ex want you back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here's how to rebuild emotional intimacy with your ex. 1. Reflect on past hurts, acknowledge the reasons for the breakup and address any emotional scars. This reflection helps both parties understand what went wrong and how to move forward. 2. Set healthy boundaries, establish clear boundaries that protect both of you. These limits prevent past patterns from re-emerging and help create a respectful space for emotional growth. 3. Communicate openly. Honest communication is vital. Share your feelings without accusations, focusing on present emotions and future desires. Listening is just as important. 4. Rebuild trust slowly. Trust takes time. Small, consistent actions like keeping promises will help restore faith and create a foundation for intimacy. 5. Reconnect through shared activities. Participating in activities you both enjoy can reignite the bond. Whether it's a hobby or a simple walk, shared experiences foster emotional closeness. 6. Address unresolved feelings. Don't let unresolved issues linger. Openly discuss any lingering emotions, clearing the air and allowing for healing. 7. Practice patience. Rebuilding intimacy takes time. Be patient with each other as you work through emotional barriers. Trust the process and allow space for growth. 8. Celebrate small progress. Each step forward, no matter how minor, deserves recognition. Celebrate the moments that reflect emotional growth and trust building. 9. Assess your goals. Be honest about whether you both want to fully reconnect. If reconciliation is the goal, continue building on the progress you've made. Rebuilding emotional intimacy with your ex is possible with effort and understanding. By following these steps, you can heal past wounds and possibly rekindle a stronger connection. Do you want to learn how to get your ex back with this simple, proven reverse psychology techniques that make your ex beg you to come back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.